Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to calculate on the Nokia 105. So first things first, let's head over to the menu and then come down to the calculator and let's select into that. Now here you can press the numbers here using the keypad, so let's go 20. Now here this is all the multiplications and this is indicated on the D-pad here. So up is plus, left is times, down is minus, and right is divide. So let's plus here, 20. Once you've done your calculation, you can press the middle button in the centre, which is equals. So 20 plus 20 is 40. And to clear the calculator, you can press this hotkey here in the top right hand corner to clear the calculator. And you can do another multiplication. Times 50 equals. And that is how to calculate on the Nokia 105. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this quick playlist here where you have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.